I've been in data governance for almost 8 years now. And so here are my 3 key learnings. 1, start small. And so one of the biggest problems I see organizations do when they implement data governance is try to do this big bang giant program. And that almost never works. So the way I like to do it is do it in a small scale first. Now, the thing about data governance is it's not a one size fits all for every organization. Your organization is very different, it has different cultures, it has different priorities. Something that fits in one organization may not work in yours. And so what you need to do first is actually work out what works. Anytime I try to do something, I try to do it in a small scale first. Now, an example of that is implementing critical data analysts or CDEs. Now, I always pick one area in the business and try to implement CDEs end to end. So identifying them, putting them under governance, working out the tools, working out what works, how the approval process is going to work, all that kind of stuff. I work it all out in a smaller scale, and then once we understand how it works and the stakeholders support it, then do I scale to the rest of the business. Number 2, it's about solving problems. So when I implement data governance, I'm focused on finding out and solving the biggest problems, the biggest pain in the organization, and then using data governance to solve them. And so this does a few things. First, it builds rapport with your stakeholders, it builds trust with them, and then you can build on that and you can implement the things that you need them to do. I think this mindset shift has really changed for me. It's taken data governance from being like a compliance thing where you're seen slowing things down to be something that is helpful, that is actually solving problems. And number 3, it's getting the right support. Now, if you try and implement data governance without support, you're not going to get far. So data governance is absolutely a team sport, and you need the whole organization behind you. So you need the top down support, you need the execs and the board backing you, backing your vision, backing your strategy. But then you also need the people on the ground to actually work with you to implement data governance. Getting the right support and having those conversations, but you do need to get that right, Byron, you're not going to get far. So those are my 3 key lessons learned from implementing data governance over the years. Hope you enjoyed.